I'm going to install a new door for my neighbor. My neighbor is just next to our house, really next to our house. This is my first time installing a new door. Installing an old door, removing and installing an old door, I've done that many times before, but installing a new door, that's kind of new to me. So, Patrick! Firing yarn. While waiting for the putty to dry, I'm waiting. I'll sand the other surfaces without the putty. Just finished running tonight after my first day of working on my neighbor's door, and Running has been my constant way of exercise and relieving my stress. Yeah. See you tomorrow.
Nalak ako dito. Mabuksan.
Gaskar, nalak ako. Paabot po. Wag mo muna hawakan ko yun. Paabot po ako ng plies. Thank you po.
Kasi mayroon sa
Kuya, testingin mo nga. Isasarado ko, buksan mo po dyan. Okay na yan, kuya. Oh, sinto ka na.
Okay. Pintura na tayo sa sunod.
What I'll do now is final. So what I'll do now is final sanding, and that's gonna be the preparation for painting. And then after painting, maybe tomorrow is installation, or probably tonight. It depends on how fast the paint dries. Yeah, so let's start. So I'm now going to use a latex paint. So the paint has been drying overnight. The primer has been drying overnight. This is the latex paint, so we can reduce the smell of the paint. Now I wait for the paint to completely dry, and then I should be able to flip it over and paint the other side. Tapos na kuya.
Bayaran na kita para mabayaran ko na rin itong kulit-kulit na itong ano.
Ayan na po ang susi sa bagong yung pinto. Back at the shop, and thank you for watching. This has been an awesome experience for me to try and install a new door. So that's gonna be my last project for the year here in the Philippines. But we'll see. We'll see what I will do in the next few days, next few weeks. And thanks for watching. Subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.